Hello dear students. Today in the science class we will learn about tsunami from the chapter natural disaster. Let's start from a book about tsunami. So an underwater earthquake or a volcanic eruption causes a series of underwater disturbances which give rise to huge waves. Tsunami is a Japanese word meaning harbor wave. The wave formed due to disturbances travel in all directions from the point of origin, and they travel at great speed, and as they approach the shallow land they rise to a great size, crashing tons of water on the coast and destroying the populated coastline. So what is tsunami? It is a disturbance that is created by underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. So when underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption created on the ocean bed or on the earth crust, that very disturbance proceed in the form of energy and produce a huge wave which approach towards the coastal line carrying a tons of water and with a great height and destroy everything in the coastal line. A tsunami is capable of destroying entire coastal villages due to a large amount of energy it carries. Sometimes the wave can be as high as 100 feet. In fact, the wave destroys everything in their way. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, which occurred on 26 December, generated waves about 100 feet high and killed about nearly 230,000 people in 14 countries. The worst affected was Indonesia, followed by Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. After the tsunami, many islands from the map of India or from Indian Ocean all get erased. That means after that tsunami, that very swallow island submerged under the ocean bed. So position of some islands also get changed. Their latitude, longitude also gets changed. So what a huge disturbance was that time. After 2004, uh, country like Thailand, Indonesia, many times affected by tsunami caused by underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. After that, in many places, tsunami alarm centers have been set up to monitor tsunami. These centers give people living on the coast advance information about the forecasted tsunami so that they have time to vacate the region. Means after 2004, the scientists understood the need of tsunami alarm center which can um, consult the people beforehand and about the upcoming tsunami so that they can evacuate the places from near the coastal areas. So let us learn how is tsunami caused. So tsunami is caused by movement of the tectonic plates under the ocean, that is underwater earthquake that we can say. Here in this picture you can see this is the center or the region where two plates get disturbed. Here one plate went beneath the another plate. So this plate is under this one plate. So as a result, when one plate move above another plate or overlap to another plate, then the huge disturbance is created. So there is a creation of fault line or earthquake. These disturbance spread on the ocean water like a wave that you can see which is proceeding towards the coastal region, and as it is going towards the coastal region the height of the wave getting increases, and when it reaches the maximum height it get, and with a huge water it falls on the coastal line and causes destruction. So this is one of the cause of the tsunami, that is due to disturbance in the movements of the tectonic plates under the ocean. or in the ocean bed. For this type of disturbance, an earthquake under the ocean, it is found that a crack on the ocean bed where two tectonic plates get apart from each other or they overlap with each other. Or they move towards each other or they collide with each other. Next, there is a small video I am showing you how does a tsunami occurs due to movements of the tectonic plates. Let's see. Now here student, you can see two tectonic plates are moving like this way and by the arrow sign, and when one overlap on other, a huge disturbance creates, and from the center the wave spread in the all direction like a circular way, and as it going towards the coastal line, the height of the wave increases.